Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We're down at Sandown today. We've got a bit of a track session with some of the crew. A lot of JDM, some Porsches down here. Let's go take a look because we are down here in a couple of weeks in the 356, so this should be massive fun today. This is going to be a great day down here at Sandown. Look at that thing. We'll do a bit of a tour of the cars. Nissan Z, Nissan NSX. This will be cool to see on track. Honda S2000. We do have a Porsche here today. I haven't seen this one around, so that looks really nice. Subi over here. So like we said earlier, loads of JDM down here. So a 300 ZX, I think that is. Mitsubishi. Everybody's kind of getting set up. It's going to be a really cool day. There's a few Toyota Yaris's down as well. They are a popular track car. We do need to hop in one day and have a bit of a go in one because these are excellent. These ones have got a bit of livery on them as well. They look great. Look at those. Yeah, a few out. Subaru BRZ. Fun track car. The Impreza should go well, I would have thought. There's a good mix coming out on track. So this Toyota, like we said, we'll do a bit of a walk down. Mazda here. Some of these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Not really the biggest JZM fan. However, what a cracking day this is. GTR. Dan would probably be loving this day. Subaru. The NSX is lovely. Look at that. I think that's brilliant. Another Mazda and the Honda. We will just have a bit of a look through here because it looks like there's a little McLaren sat here as well. Look. It's going to be nice to see the cars go round because, like I said, we're down here in the 356 next weekend. In fact, our 356 is sat over there somewhere because all this is being used for pits and going backwards and forwards. So our 356 is over there. We might have seen a little bit earlier, there's some like stunt car training going on, so we might have caught some footage of a car up on two wheels. But yeah, cool day. This Porsche is very nice. Carrera, just haven't really seen this one around. Look at this turning up. Look at that. Look at that inside.
No, he's not here yet.
488 challenge.
Have you guys started the car yet? No. Why not?
Look at the wing on this. All the adjustments down there. Obviously all carbon fibre. And then there's a little Pista over there as well. And here, I spotted this earlier, the Pista. Look how cool that that is. It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not normally a massive fan of Ferraris, but two particularly nice ones down here today. Can we see that? Is the camera picking it up? Lovely spec, isn't it? So, like we said, we are here in a couple of weeks. Might even be next weekend with the 356 out on track. But it's turned out to be a brilliant day. Completely unplanned. Joseph gave me a call and said, well, we're coming down for this. So it looks like it's going to be brilliant. Go around the track. The Toyota should actually be fun as well. So an Aston Martin GT8 is going on track today. Love these and their AMRs with this livery. It's absolutely brilliant. Look at that monster. Obviously, the British badging on it. We are in the middle of pit lane here, so it's a little bit hard to see. It's a lovely car. So here it is, all on its own. GT3, 4 litre, Club Sport pack. Just sat on its own, away from everybody. Love the yellow. Here comes the 911. I hope we can zoom in on that. Restrictions are still pretty tight down here, so we're not allowed over on the grass area to take photos, so you kind of got to stay in this pit lane area. So it's a little bit hard to get some shots, but I think if we went up on the hill or something, we'd be able to get some. But it's nice being down here in pit lane. So I think we might have caught this earlier, the ramp. And then the stunt driving school car, which I think if we just hop over the ramp a minute, on the other side you can see it's got a massive wheel. So I think we saw it doing 2 wheels down the road a little bit earlier. I guess this is just to stop it just falling over when you're practicing, because I'd imagine many people first time go up the ramp and then just fall over. Paint and the livery on this helmet looks brilliant as well. Look how shiny that is. It's kind of embossed. Can we see that? How cool is that? So the Pista will go out on track today, but I don't think we're going to see the 488 challenge on track today. I think he's waiting for some tyres to turn up, and apparently these tyres are $4,000 a pop and don't last very long. I think these are the tyres that he uses just to transport it, because I've just got that extra bit of height on them, about 2 centimeters, so that you can kind of move it around a little bit easier, where the slicks are a bit more of a problem. But I don't think we're going to see this on track today, which is a bit of a shame, but you know, next time. So next lot are going out GT3. I thought this would blitz this crew, but you never really know. S2000. That will rev all day long though, I guess, so be interesting to see how they kind of keep up with each other. Here's a Pista, number 16. Well, I think that's it from us today. We are super excited about being down here next weekend with our 356 out on track, so stay tuned for that. Please drop the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you later, guys. Bye.